Chromatography is a separations technique that separates compounds of interest into their individual components. For example, if you have a mixture of components A, B, and C, and you want to isolate compound A from compounds B and C, you will use chromatography. The process of separations proceeds in several steps. First, the sample is prepared by dissolving it into an appropriate solvent. The solvent matches the mobile phase that is flowing across the stationary phase. Second, the method is loaded onto the system. In other words, the flow rate is set and the detector is turned on. Third, the sample is injected into what is known as a sample injector. The sample injector allows the chromatography system to maintain its high pressure while the sample is being loaded at low pressure. When the injection valve switches, the sample is then introduced by the flow of the pump to the column, and the separation takes place. After the separation is completed, the components are detected with a detector. There are many types of detectors, but just suffice it to say that most detectors used in routine analysis are known as UV visible detectors. UV-vis detectors measure the absorption of UV light from each different analyte in the component mixture, and it detects whether the component is in front of the detector. In this way, the system knows when to turn the selective valve to shunt the component of interest into its own container. Once the process is complete, the components of the mixture will be in different containers and can be analyzed or used separately. If you would like to learn more about chromatography and its applications, visit us over at our website at extractlab.com.